when you are entering through the left side, you have to look through this blind spot, okay, not the triangular mirror. So enter just like the previous case, look through the mirror, and when you see 80%, from left side you have to see the second drum 80%. Hi everyone, this is my first day in the drum. What I am going to do is I am going to enter from right side to the drum. So for entering from right side to the drum, you have to make it in reverse direction and look through the small triangular mirror and enter slowly, watching the second row drum, second one, through the first row, first drum. So I have to see 50% of the second row, second drum. So when I see that one, put my steering full to the right side. Then after that I have to look only through the mirror. So through the mirror, when the car reaches near the drum, near the first drum, make it straight. Then allow the car to go inside. When the bumper is near 30 centimeter gap, turn again to the right side full. Then allow the car to go inside and look through the mirror. When both the set of drums are straight, make the steering again to the straight. Then allow the car to go inside slowly and till we pass the last drum without touching any of the drum.
Well, thank you, doctor.
Okay.
You do it great.
Done, no?
The first day, that's good. Huh?
Okay.
What do you think is difficult?
No, because you are giving lots of confidence. That's the problem. When I drive with you, it's totally, I am relaxed and I can do anything like that. Confidence I get in the road as well as in the drum. Yeah, that's the thing. Miraculous. Yeah.
Next time, inshallah, will be better.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay. Hi guys, now I am going to enter the drum through the left side. When you are entering through the left side, you have to look through this blind spot, okay, not the triangular mirror. So enter just like the previous case, look through the mirror, and when you see 80% from left side, you have to see the second drum 80% through the first drum. That way you enter, and the same procedure like earlier. You just, when you are near the drum, when you see that drum, turn fully to the left. Then when you are about to reach the drum, first drum, then make it straight. Then allow the car to go. And again, when that bumper touches near that first drum, that is 30 centimeter gap, again turn fully to the left, look through the mirror, and when both the rows are straight, make the steering straight. Then allow the car to go inside slowly and enter the drum. It is not always that this should be straight. Sometimes it may go wrong. At that time, what you have to do is adjust the steering and go inside. That is a good thing. So you have to look through the mirror, and when your car tire is near touching it, turn accordingly. If it is touching to the left, turn slightly to the right. If it is touching the right side drum, going to look through the mirror. If it is going to touch the right side drum, turn to the left. Like that you adjust and go inside. Now I am going to do it. You can see how I am going to do it.
Okay.